Hi everyone, welcome back to Nernie's Kitchen. Today I'm sharing a protein-rich salad recipe that honestly tastes so good. I personally love baking in the kitchen, but when it comes to salads, that's where I get the most creative. I love experimenting and stepping outside the traditional ways of making a salad. So for today's recipe, I basically used whatever I had in the kitchen and mixed and matched, and it turned out amazing. For the protein in the salad, I used quinoa and green lentils, which I boiled ahead of time. Then I started building the salad with adding lettuce, followed by chopped parsley, corn, pickles, sweet onion, and cucumbers. To make it even more nutritious and flavorful, I added pumpkin seeds, hemp seeds, and a few chopped dates. After that, all you need to do is gently combine everything together. For the dressing, I kept it simple: a little salt, extra virgin olive oil, pomegranate molasses, and some fresh lemon juice. The salad is fresh, filling, and packed with protein. You should definitely give it a try and let me know how it turns out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.